Listen, can we please stop comparing wounds? Wounds are not a competition. They are a factor of life. They are things, or there are circumstances and situations that will come upon us that will cause us to have to dig deep, that will cause us to have to depend on God in a way that we have never had to before. And it is not for you to utilize to make somebody feel like they are less than because they didn't endure what you did, or they didn't endure as long as you did, or they didn't move the way you did through your situation. Everybody is different. Everybody will handle their situation different. And they are no less than because they took a moment to breathe. They are no less than because they took a moment to gather themselves. Because you decided to press through, because you thought that was your best way to handle it, that is you. But wounds are not a competition. They are a way of life.